तथा विकास शत्रुघ्न सभियों को मेरा सादर अभिनंदन। अभी अभी आप लोगों ने बहुत सुंदर रूप में रूप गोस्वामी पाद की चरण कमलों में पुष्पांजलि कई दिन जावत हम लोग समस्त वैष्णव के मुखारविंद से भी श्रवण कर रहे हैं। सभी लोगों ने अपने अपने दृष्टिकोण से यानी विचार से रूप गोस्वामी पाद की महिमा कीर्तन किया। जैसे भी इस वर्ष इस साल कोरोना के कारण कोई विद्वत जन की बुला लेंगे, किंतु आप लोग सभी विद्वान है, अच्छे से श्लोक भी बोलते हो, आप भी प्रकाश भी करते हैं, क्योंकि यह है गुरुदेव की ऐसी कृपा है। बाहर के लोग विद्वान के लोग तो बोलते हैं अपने केवल शास्त्र आदि इधर से लेकर के उधार से जोड़ देते हैं। पंडितों की काम तो नहीं होता है, कहीं एक श्लोक मिल जाए और उसको तोड़ मोड़ करके संस्कृत के अनुसार कहाँ पर लोग क्या लगाते हैं, गट लगाते हैं, विसर्ग लगा करके और दुख और लगा करके वो
प्रभु जी इसको ऐसे करके स्टार्ट करो, बंद करो लाइव बंद करके पहले रोटेट करो।
एक कथा सुना दी थी, अकबर बादशाह बोले मंत्री को, बोले ये देखो
Akbar said to the minister that this brinjal is very nice and very beautiful sabji is created from the made from the brinjal. So then that mantri said it is fine, yes. After a few days that Akbar said that begun, that bagan means brinjal doesn't have any qualities. There is no quality. Then that mantri, the minister said, yes, Maharaj, yes, there is no quality. Then Akbar said that when I was glorifying brinjal, you were also glorifying, and when I am defaming brinjal and you are also defaming, then that minister said that I am not the servant of brinjal, I am servant of yours. So my job is to say yes when you say yes, and when you say no, I have to say no. So this is my job. Bhakti is of three types: sadhana bhakti, bhava bhakti, prema bhakti. But bhakta are of two types: sadhana bhakta and shuddha bhakta. Bhakti is of three types. Why the devotees are of two types? Sadhak and siddha. There are only two types of devotees. One is sadhak and one is siddha. Then why bhakti is of three types and devotees are of two types? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu, he has written that who is called a sadhaka, who is called a siddha. What is the definition of the sadhaka? In whose heart the rati has got manifested, he has got the qualification of Krishna darshan, but due to some reason there is some hindrance and he cannot see Krishna. So that is called sadhak. Sadhaka parikirtika, that is called sadhak. So who is the greatest sadhak among the sadhaks? Is the Vilamba Mangala. Vilamba Mangal is called sadhaka. So the one who is doing the sadhan is called a sadhaka. Who is siddha? The one who doesn't have any hard work in serving Krishna.
हाँ, भक्ति रसात्मक सिंधु बिंदु में जिस श्लोक मेरे थोड़ा डिटमाइंड हो रहा है वो जिसके कहते हैं जिसके स्वतः रूप में
means the one naturally he is engaged in the Krishna service and doesn't feel any kind of pain in service. This is the definition of the Siddha. So Siddha is the one, he comes into this world and plays the role of sadhaka. Just like the Rupa Goswami Pad, he is not sadhaka, he is Siddha. How can we prove? They used to stay under the tree every night, and can we do it? But if we can do it, it is good, but it is impossible for us. And they used to eat very little chana. And sometimes they used to get it, sometimes they used to stay hungry. And in this way they used to do bhajan. Externally it looks like they are sadhak, but actually internally they are not sadhak, they are siddha. They want to show us the conduct of the sadhak, the teachings. In the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami Pad writes the sadhak roop and the siddha roop. Just like one speaker said, Rupanuga and Raganuga. All the Rupanuga are Raganuga, but all Raganuga are not Rupanuga. So who is called a sadhak? The one who is doing the sadhan. And we are talking about the sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti, prema bhakti. The definition of the sadhan bhakti, kriti sadhya bhavet sadhya bhava sa sadhana bhida. Nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakatyam siddhi sadhyata. So by giving these definitions, he is explaining about the sadhana bhakti. Starting from the Shraddha up to Asakti, it is called sadhana bhakti. Adho Shraddha Tato Sadhu Sangha. Bhajan Kriya Narth Nivritti. Up to Asakti, it is called sadhana. And in this sadhan, there are many types of problems also. Maybe it takes many births to get the Shraddha. What are the symptoms of the Shraddha? Savrupa Lakshan, Tathastha Lakshan. Vishnu Chakravarti Pad. Rupanuga Acharya Vishnu Chakravarti Pad, he writes that how can we understand that one has got the Shraddha? What is the Savrup Lakshan of the Shraddha and Tathastha Lakshan? By the Savrup and the Tathastha Lakshan, we can understand one object. One person is a Brahman, Pandit, or one person is Pandit Brahman. How can we understand? By the Savrup Lakshan. If you are able to see the Brahmanatva, the Janeu, and is having the Mala, so we can understand that he is a Brahman. But if we say that Pandit Brahman means, first we understand that he is a scholar, then we understand that, oh, he is a Brahman. So one is Savrup Lakshan, one is Tathastha Lakshan. Abdhavritti or Lakshanavritti. In the Vedantic language it is called Abhidha and Lakshanavritti. Gangaya Ghoshapalli. That the meaning of this is that on the Ganga there is a city called Ghoshapalli, but this is not the right meaning. Meaning is that on the shore of the Ganga it is the Ghoshapalli. So this is called Abhida and the Lakshana. So if we understand with the Abhida Vritti, then we leave the Lakshana Vritti. So for the Shraddha, how we can understand that one has got Shraddha? What is the Savrup Lakshan of the Shraddha? Savrup Lakshan is the Krishna Seva Vasana. Shraddha's Savrup Lakshan is Krishna Seva Vasana. And Tathastha Lakshan is Vishwas, belief in the words of the Guru and the scriptures. So believing in the Guru and the scriptures words is called Tathastha Lakshan. Guru Mukh Padma Vakya. So one should have this belief that it is correct, it is a truth. So this is the Tathastha Lakshan. Savrupa Lakshan is a Krishna Seva Vasana, the tendency to serve Krishna. So these are the symptoms. It is said, Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagyavan Jiva. Gurudev is giving us the seed of the Bhakti Lata. What is that seed? The tendency to serve Krishna Seva. So he has given the seed. But if we are not giving the water, if we keep the seed inside the Almira, will it sprout? No. By the Shravana Kirtan water, we have to nourish that seed, and then that seed will nourish in the Chaitanya Charitamrita through the Rup Goswami Pad. So he is giving the instructions to us through Rup Goswami Pad. So this Shraddha, if it becomes so firm, then it will take you to the Mahabhav. Khanda khanda yadi hoy deha pran tathapi navadane chadibo harinam. But if we get little pain in our body and we leave the Harinam, we leave the temple, we leave the Guru, if we get little problem, the Lakshan, the symptom of the Shraddha, even it takes many births to get a Shraddha. Nayam Atma Pravachanena Labhyo Yame Vesha Vrinate. Swayam Bhagwan, when he manifests his form in the heart of the sadhak, then he will be able to realize the Lord, not by his own intelligence or his self-study. It is impossible. An ordinary sadhak, a Baddha Jiva, how his Shraddha would be developed. First is the Laukika Shraddha, then comes Paramarthik Shraddha. That Paramarthik Shraddha, slowly, with hearing the Katha, one gets the belief in the Shastra. And once I was speaking uselessly. Savrup Lakshan is the Krishna Seva Vasana, and Tathastha Lakshan. It is said that if one is not hearing the Katha and is not able to develop the Shraddha, in the Madhurya Kadambani, Srila Gurudev's translation is so nice. Again and again, if you keep on reading that Madhurya Kadambani, it looks like it is always new. because in Madhurya Kadambini, Gurudev's commentary is amazing.
अनुराग के लक्षण क्या है?
What are the symptoms of the anuraga?
स्नेहानुबंधनम,
Paraspara Sneha Anubandhanam.
ठीक उसी प्रकार इसी कथाओं में इतने जैसे लगते हैं कि कथा में कभी सुनाई
In the same way, when I read the Madhurya Kadambini again and again, I feel that I have never heard it.
हॉलैंड में गुरुदेव
Once in the hall, and Gurudev said to me,
मेरा याद है गुरुदेव मुझे बहुत स्नेह आदि करते थे।
Gurudev used to love me a lot.
ये आप बताओ आज यहाँ पर हॉलैंड में जो है कौन सा विषय यहाँ पर 5 दिन
So he asked me that what topic should I start in the Holland for the 5 days we are going to stay.
मैंने कहा गुरुदेव
And I said,
आप जो बोलोगे सब मीठा मीठा
whatever you will speak will be sweet.
बोले गुरुदेव मुझे अपने पिछले साल क्या बोला था क्या
Gurudev,
है हमने हाँ
do you remember what I said in the last year? Then I said yes.
यहाँ पर
About the Chaitanya Charitamrita, you
आप इसमें
gave lectures last year.
गुरुदेव बोले हाँ बोले देखो मेरा कथा इसलिए मीठा होता है ना ये लोग सब भूल जाते हैं 1 साल के बाद तो आता है
Gurudev said, why my katha is so sweet? Because they forget everything and they think that everything it is new.
और फिर वो
But I keep on speaking the same katha. My all katha is repetition.
आपकी
But
कथा
then I
है
said,
तो एक ही कथा
Gurudev, your katha is one,
तो आपकी
but
वो कथा में इतने
in
रस
that
जो होता है,
katha there is so much ras, which is so sweet, which we cannot
यही
explain.
तो है कथा की तात्पर्य।
So this is meaning of katha.
जो कथा दूसरी कथा नहीं है
Katha is not different.
राम ने रावण के मारा कि
Ram
राम
killed Ravan.
रामायण की कथा है
Ramayana, Ram killed
किसने
Ravan.
सीता के चोरी किया राम ने
Who
चोरी किया
kidnapped Sita, Ram or Ravan?
है? जो कथा दूसरी है
So katha is same.
चोरी किया
Ram, Ravan has
और मारा
kidnapped.
किसने
And who killed
किसने
Ravan?
को
Ram.
तो सब सुनते हैं
So Ramayana is same, but
सही
the technique of speaking
जाति
katha.
जोड़ नहीं पाई नया कथा तो कुछ सुनाएंगे नहीं है? किंतु उस कथा को बोलने की जो परिपाटी
So the way of speaking that katha is always new.
ये सबसे
And when we add the siddhant in it, so the variety comes.
बहुत सुंदर करके
Like our Prabhuji was preaching about the man, Krishna man, Radhika man,
पूर्व राग की बात में
Purvarag. He also told about Purvarag.
हम सुनते रहते हैं
So katha we keep on hearing and I also keep on speaking.
किंतु देखो बोलने की जो सही है
But the way of speaking is important
कि नहीं है
and the mind gets attracted.
कथा को चित्ताकर्षक करते हैं माने
And the katha which can attract.
और साथ ही साथ वो जैसे आपको किसने बताया ना अनुपात माने अनुपात रेशियो है उसको भी देखना पड़ता है ना भले रस माधुर्य आस्वादन सब होता है तो उसमें कितने परिमाण सब्जी में लवण डालना है कौन सा
Just
सब्जी में
like
कितना
what
परिमाण लवण
in what proportion we will add the salt or the sweet in the sabji.
आप करेला के
So
सब्जी
this
बना रहे हैं,
ratio is
उसके
very
अंदर नमक
important.
देना पड़ेगा,
In
तो
the
नमक
Karela you have to give more
जो
salt.
है वो नष्ट करेगा और आप लवण
And
देने के भूल गए
if you
थोड़ी सी लवण
forget
दिया,
to
वो
give
करेला
the
खा लो।
salt in the Karela, you will not be able to eat it. And if you are making other sabji in which you have to give less salt, then that sabji is more sweet. So in the same way, ras madhurya, it depends upon the ratio. So the shraddha, one is laukik shraddha, one is parmarthik shraddha. One is Vaidhi Shraddha, one is Raganuga Shraddha.
इसके लिए अभी हमारे गोस्वामी पाद कितने सुंदर वर्णन कर रहे हैं ये जो देखो ये
So Rup Goswami Pad is saying that first it is the Vaidhi Marga for the sadhak, not the Raga Marga.
राग मार्गे करानो प्रवेश है ये विधि मार्ग के छोड़ करके कोई छलांग लगा करके राग मार्ग में जाए
So leaving the Vidhi Marga, if someone goes to the Raga Marga directly,
देखो राग भक्ति में वैदिक भक्ति नीत है
so in the Raga Bhakti, the Vaidhi Bhakti is already present, but in the Vaidhi Bhakti, Raga Bhakti is not present, just like you heard that in all the Rupanuga, Raganuga. But Raganuga, all Raganuga are not Rupanuga.
इसे वैशिष्ट्य दिखाते जाए
So that is where the specialty has been explained here. In the same way, Vaidhi Bhakti, when sadhak is doing sadhan, first he has to go for the Vaidhi Bhakti. For example, the new fresh leaves, there are two sides. There are two parts of that leaf. One is very soft and one is little hard, rough. Kurdara. Kurdara.
एक राग होता है जिसका मुस्लिम। अच्छा, वो पत्ता कैसे रहता है जब उसे से आप लोग ध्यान से देखें, ध्यान से देखें।
So look at the fresh leaves. It has two parts. One is soft and one is rough. And that fresh leaf is in the folded form. Then it starts opening slowly, slowly. The rough part goes down and the soft part comes up. So in the same way, so the rough part of that leaf, that is Vaidhi Bhakti. Because of the previous impressions and by doing the association of the Satsanga, then he gets the Raga Bhakti developed. So that is why Vaidhi Bhakti is important. श्रुति स्मृति पुराणादि पंचरात्रि विधि विधान।
जो श्रुति स्मृति नाग पंचरात्र आदि के जो है विधि के नहीं पालन करके अपने मनमनी ढंग से रागमार्ग में।
If someone leaving the Vaidhi Bhakti and with his own mind starts following the Raga Bhakti, so this will be wrong for him, this will be dangerous for him. So in the same way, Shraddha is of two types, Vaidhi Shraddha and Raganuga Shraddha. Because of the previous impressions, this can be visible. And some people, they start doing from the Vaidhi Bhakti, and because of the previous impression, some people directly goes to the Raga Bhakti. So it depends upon the previous impression. So without satsang, nothing can be achieved. So satsang, Kapil Dev is saying to his mother Devahuti that every time stay in the satsanga, because satsang has one speciality. When one gets ruchi pradhan, then he will be pleased to hear the Leela Katha, because that sadhak is ruchi pradhan. Because of his previous impressions, now the ruchi will be manifested. Ruchi, so he will directly go to Ruchi. But it doesn't mean that everyone will directly jump to Ruchi. For example, if you want to lift to the 10th floor, one is that you go by the stairs and one is you go by the lift. So in the elevator you will go fast. In the Radharaman temple, in the Gurudev got stuck in the lift. I remember that incident. That elevator got stuck. Arvishwan Chakravarti Pal says the one who has the ruchi, he will reach fast. So it depends upon the previous impressions. It is not about a young or old. It is dependent upon the previous impressions of the sadhan bhajan in the previous life. Because body keeps on changing, and you see that in this body, in this birth, one is progressing so fast, but on the other side, other person is progressing so slow. So it depends upon the previous impressions. There are two types of impressions.
आधुनिक संस्कार
One is the new sanskar and one is the old impressions. Adhunik, the new impressions are those impressions that we get in this birth, and Praktan sanskar means the old sanskar impressions are those which you got in the previous birth, and that helps the ruchi get manifested very easily. So bhakti can destroy all the hindrances in the bhakti marga. So when we are going according to the Shastra, Shraddha's Savrup, why I am telling all this katha? Because of the Shraddha's Savrup and Tathastha Lakshan. One is with Ruchi and one is with the thought of Shastra. And with
रुचि साधक सत्संग में लीला कथा आदि श्रवण में रुचि होने पर पुनः पुनः अनुष्ठान आदि करते रहते। ऐसी सुंदर कथा जो है बार बार हम करते रहे। और विचार प्रधान जहाँ पर होता है शास्त्रीय विचार में चलते हैं।
the Ruchi Pradhan.
साधक ज्ञान की इच्छा
So in the Ruchi Pradhan, the one keep on hearing the Leela Katha again and again.
विचार आदि को श्रवण आदि करते हैं।
But in the Vichar Pradhan, the sadhak keep on hearing the various type of Siddhanta from the Gurudev and the Vaishnavas. Then Vishnu Chakravarti Pad says that there are 6 ways. What are the 6 ways?